spectrum and related developmental disabilities. So the reasons why that's for persons who are in use, the diapers, catheters, the oxybutyl caps.
Kicks off. Gladly, we have a very close working relationship with CUG.
And we thought it's best since we don't have...
To the governors or the Council of Governors to make it official that kindly people living with disabilities who do small-scale businesses, let them do these businesses free of charge. I'm also appealing to the KRA that people living with disabilities who really struggle to earn a living, let them do the small businesses that they do with an exemption. Especially most of these exemptions that we target are from the county governments. Because these are people who live within the towns. They sell njugu, karanga, and small things.
Those forms of disability are the most expensive because constantly they're on drug, constantly they're on therapy. So the government has allocated some amount of money, and we have established the criteria, and we have already mapped almost 20,000 to all the facilities across country for free therapy, for free drugs, and for free incontinency things like diaper or bowel management across the country.
The most massive program in the world called Vision Impact Project, to the funding of 2.2 billion Kenya shillings since the year 2022, and runs in some counties up to 2025.